All right, in this video, I'm going to go over what I have found to be the best refillable filter for the Keurig. I found this online and I wanted to have one. Let me show you real quick. The inside, what I love is it's gold. I wanted one that I could take my coffee from my bag of whatever bag I want. And this is also a super awesome tool. This little grabber here, it gets it very easily for me. And so what you do is just come in here, scoop in your, get a nice level scoop, which I'm getting kind of low here, but okay, there you go, kind of level it off. It's one hand operation. I slide that over, okay, and put that over here. And then what you can do is take this refillable filter, reusable, excuse me, and I can just dump it over and it just pours in the perfect amount every single time, okay? And you can take a little bit closer look at it here. Again, one of the things I wanted was one that I could fit. It just has a nice seal and clicks in, you hear it. They come a lot of times, there's different ones you could buy that what I'd have to do is my wife likes to use the traditional cup, okay? And I like to you know, save some money and use my own, or there's certain ones that you may want to use. So again, what I found the battle would have to be if I use this thing, or there's different ones like this, is I'd have to battle taking this thing out and then putting this thing in its place. And then after I use it, if I leave, now my wife has to battle taking certain parts in and out. And I wanted something that was the same size as a cup, could function as a cup, and she could simply, if I came in and got coffee, right? And if I had left it in there, she could just pull it out and still put in her cup, right behind me, okay? And let me just show you again. It has one little notch here at the bottom, and you just line that up with where the needle is, okay? And all I gotta do is, and this is, again, this is compatible. While I'm gonna fire this up, and this is, whoop, try that again. Strong, and let's make it that size. Okay, so again, this is the Dioro Cafe. The other thing I liked about this is it's BPA free. I didn't want something with a bunch of, you know, there's cheaper ones than this you can find online, but it's kind of, you get what you pay for, and I didn't want BPA. The other thing is this is, they had it as gold. Yes, 24 karat gold plated. So a lot of the reviews I said is there are other ones that you end up tasting a metallic taste, whereas what they make with this is you'll avoid the taste of metal and preserve the rich coffee beans. So again, those were the two big things that were important to me, that it's BPA free and that it's not going to give me a metallic, because you can get some real cheaper. This is not the cheapest one, but again, to me, it's one of the best ones I found. I've had no issues with the seal. I've used this for weeks, and I absolutely love it. And again, the convenience now that I can fill this with whatever bag I want. This scooper, again, I'll put a link in the description where you can get this. This makes it extremely easy. In one-hand operation, okay? I get the exact perfect amount, and then, again, I get a perfect coffee. Now, this is compatible with Keurig 1 and Keurig 2. So I've tried both of the machines. We have one down here in the basement, and this is our primary machine. Again, I've had no issues. It fits. It fits just like a standard cup. So if it takes a cup, it's gonna work great. So, anyways, it's produced great coffee for me every time. Very consistent. Very easy to clean out, and I love it. So if you're looking for the best reusable filter, I highly recommend this one. Again, there are cheaper ones, but you get what you pay for. I'm gonna put a link down in the description below, right down here. If you order it, it helps out the channel. I'd really appreciate it, and hope this helps. If this video helped you, because I looked everywhere, and I couldn't tell based on reviews if it was this type, this size, or this size. And so if that helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions. If you have any questions about this particular filter, I'll do my very best to answer. So there you go, the Dioro Cafe. Very happy with it. Highly recommend it. Thanks so much for watching.